Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch Blackpink World Tour Deadline in Paris and London behind the scenes. So akala ko weekly siya. So nagtaka ko, wait lang, nag-react pa ako last week. So wala pala siyang in-upload last week. So parang 3 weeks ago na ata yung last. So akala ko weekly tong behind the scenes vlog ng Blackpink. So it turns out hindi pala. So alam mo yon, yung feeling na akala mo puro content na ng Blackpink yung mapapanood mo weekly, pero hindi pala siya weekly. Tapos etong Paris and London pinagsama pa. Tapos 11 minutes lang. Alam mo yun, parang masyado tayong ginugutom sa content sa Blackpink. Ang tagal-tagal lang naghiatos, pero ay naku, hindi ko na talaga alam. So hindi ko na ito patatagalan. Let's start. The opening background music. Wow! Wait lang, the visual. Wow! Oh my god! Wow, queens, goddess. My gosh, 2 months na lang, makikita ko na sila ulit. Bangles Lisa.
다시 컷. Hi Paris. Hi Paris.
The duality.
지수 hi. 지수 안 나와. 여기 파리 블링크가 진짜 소리 대박 짱 컸어요. 너무 커서 저희가 무슨 말 했는지 안 들린 정도로 컸습니다.
Vlogger Lisa.
이해가 되네요.
Yep,
we are like super excited. I've been following Blackpink from their debut. Really happy to see them.
Yung caption. No! Sa bagay, nag-English naman sila, so baka kaya.
I might cry a lot today. This is probably the best day of my life.
Big fan of Blackpink.
Okay, gets ko na kasi nag-English sila. So ano nga naman isasub nila?
It's my dream. Very happy.
That's amazing.
So dumb.
It's huge, it's plain, it's always an excitement to be here.
Yeah, we're so excited. It's so cool.
Grabe yung venue! Wow, goosebumps. The fix ng mga blinks. Jump. Okay, meron siyang sub. English sub. Fighting. My crackhead bias.
Ready? Fighting!
Wow. Hey! Oh my gosh, goosebumps! I'm so excited! Grabe stage presence talaga nila, no? Oo, T4.
파리 에너지가 땅인 거 진짜. 유럽 투어 시작. 좋습니다.
시작이 좋아요. 다른 나라도 기대하겠습니다. 화이팅!
Yes! Grabe, Pink Ocean. Nakakamiss. Wow.
Paris blinks are crazy. Okay then.
Philo Blinks. Let's go crazy sa November. Team Day 2. Wow. Yung tawa ni Jisoo.
Keep going!
I mean, kasi 'di ba, iba yung dating nila as solo artist. Pero alam mo yun, pag nagsama-sama na sila as Blackpink, iba pa din yung touch sa heart. Ewan ko kung ako lang ba or what. Pero iba talaga yung feels kapag ka as Blackpink sila, you know.
I don't even know what to say anymore. I'm so overwhelmed. I'm curious to know if they remember this. Blackpink, Blackpink, Blackpink!
Blink, blink, blink! Wow!
They're all real fans.
Wow!
Blackpink, Blackpink, Blackpink!
Blink, blink, blink! Goosebumps! Wow! After years, nandun pa din yung feel sa chant na yun. Wow! Goofy. Grabe na pag sa video, akala mo ang lit ng stage. I mean, hindi siya malawak. Pero pagka nandito ka naman, parang kahit dito ka sa seat na to, yung ticket mo, parang ang layo pa din nila. Alam mo yun? Chaylisa! McNay line.
Paris
Wow.
was literally unforgettable, most exciting crowd I've ever
Her
experienced.
accent!
Our first city in Europe, and I think it was a very smart move on behalf
Her
of
speaking
all of us to come
voice,
to
her
Paris
visual, everything about her. Flying kiss. Minsan na nga lang ma-flying kiss by group pa. Minsan na nga lang ma-kiss ni Rosé. By group pa. London.
드디어 진짜 브이로그 진짜 안
My gosh, I'm hungry.
하얀 보다 떡볶이. 10분 안에 게임에 마무리하고 나가. 네, 먹었죠. Wait for me.
I'm hungry now.
I cannot believe that.
It's not a vlog
Already
without
at the
Rosé
end of
eating
Europe. Guys,
eating.
we have fun. Thank you so much. This has really been a dream come
Rosé
true.
plus food heaven.
Mwah. Mwah. Need to get ready now.
We're super excited to have you back in London. We haven't been to a concert yet, so we cannot wait to see you. And we love you so much.
We just flew from northern Norway to UK to see the Blackpink concert, and I'm speechless. I don't know about you, but it's gonna be amazing. Woo! Blackpink forever.
I'm so happy. I'm gonna see them first time in my life. So that's why I bring my boyfriend here. He's gonna record everything for me because I'm just gonna, cry here and be like, ah! But
That's
I'm
a
so excited
smart
to see them.
move sa isang concert. If alam mo yun, if gusto mo mag-enjoy pero gusto mo din magkaroon ng videos, magsama ka na lang ng casual listeners or something like that. Kagaya nung dati, tanda ko sa concert ni Daniel dati, like way back 2014 or 15, basta yon. Sinama ko yung kuya ko para siya yung mag-video, para ako party lang, pero may clips pa din ako sa phone ko, pero more on nasa kanya yung fan cams ko, parang ganon.
Blackpink came to London.
Hope they come back
Yeah,
every
keep
year.
Pero sa concert ng Blackpink, hindi ko kaya mag +1 kasi ang mahal ng ticket. So ako na din, kaya ko na yon.
Have a great show.
Iniisip ko nga kung OT for fan cam ba or Jisoo fan cam, hindi ko alam. Gamak nila.
Lisa! Why?
Why?
Lisa!
Lisa.
Rosie!
Aww. So ito yung last tour nila. Before ulit sila mag-break ngayon. Like, working on something. And then Asia tour. Correct me if I'm wrong. Wow, the visual. Hey, iconic. Oh, the Labubu outfit. Ganda ng outfit na inilisan pink. Labubu.
In the Wembley Stadium is like a dream. So thank you so much for coming to our show today.
Ganda ni Jetty.
It really is a surreal time for all four of us. I'm very, very excited to be here all together.
Lisa naman! Alam mo yung nag-ano kong moment, tapos kikindatan ka ni Lisa. That's my first bias.
Grateful that we can make the biggest memory here tonight at Wembley Stadium. Yes, you made it! Woohoo!
Wow! I'm so ready para sa pink wave. Pink ocean wave. Kasi diba yung last time, grabe pabalik-balik, na-amaze sila doon. So I'm super ready and excited ulit na gawin yun sa November. Aww. Cute! Ito yung yung disadvantage ng walang nire-release na album before mag-tour. Yung sa vlog, yung music, yung background music sa vlog is puro mga old songs. Gets nyo ba? Like, gets nyo ba yung sinasabi ko? Wala lang. Pero soon, magkakamero na yan ng new songs. So, I'm seated. Hey! Oh, my Jansu! May OT4. Cute! The duality. Oh my gosh! Nakakailakis na kay Rosé. Asia Tour! Oh, I'm correct. I see you. I'm super excited.
즐거우셨길 바래요. 즐거웠길 바래요. 블링크 즐거웠길
I enjoy watching it. Excited na ulit ako mapanood sila, tapos this time malapit. Oh my gosh! Na-imagine ko na guys, VIP pit. Oh my god, makikita ko na malapit yung mga visuals nila, yung outfits nila. Wow! I cannot. So that's it for today's video guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong!